Does Hinduism have multiple gods? If you've ever wondered about the complexity of Hinduism and its gods, you're not alone. This question has puzzled many, and the answer is more nuanced than a simple yes or no. Hinduism is a rich and diverse religion, and when it comes to gods, it presents a unique perspective. On one hand, Hinduism speaks of many gods and goddesses, each with their own distinct roles and attributes. You might have heard of Vishnu, Shiva, Ganesha, Lakshmi, Durga, and Krishna, among others. These deities are worshipped in various forms and are often associated with different aspects of life. For example, Ganesha is known as the remover of obstacles and is associated with success, wealth, and learning. Shiva, on the other hand, is revered as the destroyer and the transformer. At a local level in India, many other minor deities and spirits are also worshipped, adding to the diversity of Hindu practices. In temples, you might see multiple shrines dedicated to different gods, each with its own significance. For instance, a temple dedicated to Shiva might also have shrines for his sons Ganesha and Murugan, as well as other deities like Lord Rama and the goddess Ganga. However, the concept of multiple gods in Hinduism is not as straightforward as it seems. Many Hindus believe that all these deities are representations of a single, ultimate reality known as Brahman. This idea is rooted in the philosophy of Advaita, which suggests that Brahman is the one true reality, and all other gods and goddesses are just different names and forms of this supreme being. According to the Rig Veda, reality is one. The sages speak of it in many ways. This means that while there are many gods and goddesses in Hinduism, they are all seen as manifestations of the same divine essence. Some Hindus, particularly those following the teachings of philosophers like Shankara, Ramanuja, and Madhva, have different interpretations of this relationship between the individual deities and the ultimate reality. In essence, Hinduism does acknowledge multiple gods, but these gods are often understood as various expressions of a single supreme deity. This diversity and plurality are what make Hinduism so unique and complex, reflecting a rich tapestry of beliefs and practices. So, the next time you hear about the many gods of Hinduism, remember that they are all part of a larger unified whole.